How to fix Spotify not downloading music. Today guys, I will show you the solution how to fix and solve this problem. Just watch this video till the end. So first, now you have to go and open the settings of your phone. After this, go directly to apps. On apps, as you can see, you will find all the applications that you have on your phone. So you will search now just for Spotify, and when you found Spotify, just open it like this and then go to storage option, then go to the last button, clear data, click OK, and then go back and click on force stop and click OK. And the last things is to go into Play Store and updating your Spotify again. And that's it guys, I hope this video is helpful for you. Do not forget to like or subscribe in our channel. See you in another video.